In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple task tracker in Smartsheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use to-do list built from a template, without setting up columns or formatting from scratch. Start by looking at the left sidebar in your Smartsheet workspace. This is where you create new items. Click the Create button there. Instead of jumping straight into a blank sheet, choose More Options. This opens up the broader creation panel, where templates live. Templates are great because they give you a proven structure that's easy to use and quick to deploy, especially for something straightforward like a task tracker. In the panel that appears, look toward the top right and click the small text that says, View All Templates. That link takes you into the full template gallery, which is organized and searchable. Using the gallery helps you find a layout that's already designed for common workflows, saving time and helping you follow best practices. Once you're in the gallery, go to the search field at the top right and type the word simple. This filters the results so you don't need to scroll through everything. You'll see a set of options designed to be minimal and easy to use, which is exactly what you want for a straightforward task tracker. From the results, locate the simple to-do list template. It's a lightweight template that's perfect for tracking tasks without extra complexity. Click it to open its preview. The preview helps you confirm it includes the essential pieces you expect for a task list. When you're ready, click Create. Smartsheet will generate a new sheet based on that template and place it in your workspace. That's it. You can now use it. Your new sheet will be pre-built with a clear layout so you can focus on your tasks right away. You'll typically see columns for the task name, target dates, an indicator for status or completion, and space for brief notes. Because it's a template, you don't have to worry about adding columns or adjusting formatting to get started. Just begin entering your tasks on their own rows and use the provided fields to track what matters most to you. If you ever don't see the exact options mentioned, user interfaces can shift slightly over time. Look for similarly named buttons in the same general areas and use the template search to narrow results quickly. With that, you've created a simple, effective task tracker in Smartsheet using a built-in template, ready to support your day-to-day work.